Hey everyone, welcome back to Craft Day. Now today we're going to make a craft to help us with one of the sounds that we found a bit tricky, and we're looking at K. The reason it's a bit tricky, there's two things. One, it's got the same sound as another letter, so sometimes we're not sure which letter we have to use. And two, the letter K is really quite tricky to draw using school writing. So we're going to make something awesome today to help you with that. And we're going to do some writing and some drawing and some colouring. So you are going to need a white piece of paper, scissors, and coloured pencils. And let's get started. So step number one, we're going to fold our piece of paper, which is this way. We're going to fold it in half. We actually only need half the paper, so the other half you can use to do some drawing or make something else, or you could even make two kites. All right, so here we go. I'm going to cut it in half. And here we go. I'm going to put this one over here, and this is what I'm going to use. I've still got it like a long piece, so it's flat, not tall. And I'm going to actually make it into a square. Now this is a little bit tricky. We've done this in a few different craft activities, but I'm going to show you again. So I'm going to take this corner here, and I'm going to fold it down till it touches the bottom of the paper there. Now, I'm doing it in the air just to show you. It is much, much easier to do it on the table. So can you see how that's now in a straight line? And I'm going to put it down on the table, and I'm going to squish it down. So I look like I have a triangle and a rectangle. And all we have to do is cut the rectangle off. Don't throw it away though, because we're going to use that. Okay, here we go. So here is my triangle bit that I've left. And if I open it up and turn it like this, it makes a diamond shape, and that is what a kite is. That's step number one, pretty easy. Now, if you want to make your kite really special, you can put icicle sticks or skewers on the back. I don't actually have any at my house, so I'm not going to do it, okay? And to make sure we remember what sound it is, I'm going to do the letter K on my kite, and I'm going to do it twice. So here is one. This is what it looks like. And now I'm actually going to try and draw it so that in the air so that you can see it. Let me just get something to lean on. All right, here we go. So for that tricky K, we start at the top. We come all the way down. We come halfway back up, make a circle shape, out and flick. K. Pretty easy so far. Okay, we're back. Now, for the next part, you are going to need a few more items. You're going to need some wool or some string, some sticky tape, and your scissors. So I'm going to make the kite string, and I'm going to decorate it with some pictures of things that start with K. So first of all, I'm going to cut off a little piece of string here, and I'm going to sticky tape it to the back of my kite. There we go. Now when you see kites, especially on TV and movies, they often have little strings and decorations on them. So we're going to make some of those, and to help us with our K, we're going to draw some pictures. So with my little piece of paper here that we had before, I'm going to cut some strips. I'm just going to cut it like this. 2, 3, 4. You can have 4 or you can have 5. And then on each one, I'm going to draw a picture of something that starts with K. So first of all, I'm going to draw a key. And to help me remember the sound, I'm going to do a K next to it. So I drew a key. And then next, I'm going to get a grey, and I'm going to draw, and this is a bit tricky. Let's see if anyone can work out what it is that I'm drawing. It's fluffy and it's grey and it lives in Australia. It is a koala. And again, Do my K next to it. Koala. And next I'm going to draw, what else could I draw? Oh, another Australian animal. This one's a bit tricky to draw, but I'm going to try my best. It has a very long tail, big hind legs, and little ones, and it keeps its baby in a pouch. And it is a kangaroo. You can draw whatever pictures you like, anything that starts with K. Once you're done, we're going to use a little bit more of our sticky tape, and we're going to stick them along the strings of our kite. I'm going to put one here, and then my kangaroo, and my key. Oops, sticky tape stuck to my fingers. And here we have a kite with things that start with K. Hope you have fun making that, and then it helps you remember the K sound. Have fun!